Alright, I think I got the guy going northbound on West Peachtree Street towards Heath. You just passed him, he's right here. Hey man, stop right there, dude. Put your hands on your back. Put your hands on your back. Where you just come from, man?
I just came from across the street.
You didn't come across from the street here.
I just came, not across that street, across that street. I just came from across the street.
Across the street from what street?
Over there across the street, you just seen me.
Yeah, I saw you walking through the parking deck.
No, you didn't.
I saw you just walked out of the parking deck and
No,
West
you
Peachtree
didn't.
Street in the little alleyway, man.
Didn't. No, you did not see me cross over from the parking deck. No, you didn't. It seems we saw. I don't know what's going on right now, but I just came from across the street, over there by the gate, over there on his I didn't come for no.
Hey, just go back inside and double check. Because the gate was still open, but he matches the description. Black male, mask, brown, blue jeans.
I wasn't, what?
Come on back here. Yeah, we got the guy detained.
Excuse me, this lady from
Nah, man, you match the description to a T.
okay. I don't know what's going on, cause
You're being detained right now for possibly breaking into cars in the parking lot right here.
I don't know nothing about that, so if
Well, I just saw you literally walking right out of the parking lot over there by that exit.
I wasn't by the parking lot.
You were just walking straight down this alleyway right here.
You was in your car, right? Did you see me going to a parking deck? It's another.
Well, they got you on camera, so we'll go back and look at the video footage on the camera.
Do you have anything in your pocket? What's this?
Oh, my lighter. So you guys gonna let me go because I didn't do nothing.
Well, we're not going to let you go until we look at the video footage yourself, man. So grab your seat in the back. Slide in. What's up? I don't even know. Yeah, you can throw it in the bag if you want. I did. It's open. Someone just want to sit out here with them?